create a Redder Pay account and receive $5 bonus. Okay, I am give the link in below. So पहिला my Redder Pay account. This so I log in Redder Pay account. Please guys, this okay transaction deposit so एउटा $5 चाहिँ bonus receive from the my Redder Pay account. If you want to be receive $5 bonus from the create Redder Pay account, I am giving the link my description of the video. Please click the link and join Redder Pay account. $5 bonus receive. Okay, Redder Pay account I create and एउटा easily transfer from the any country. Okay, just search the Redder Pay account give by 3 different bank account, like just search that USD account अनि त्यसपछि GBP account र euro account 3 एउटा currency account giving Redder Pay account. Redder Pay account same as a Payoneer account. Okay, if you create a Redder Pay account, I am give the link in description in my description ma for the create Redder Pay account. Click the link this link get $5 bonus receive. If you receive $5 bonus when create the Redder Pay account, please click give the link of the Redder Pay account. I given the link of the Redder Pay account. If you click this link and join or create a Redder Pay account and fully verify, you receive $5 bonus. Okay, I am $5 bonus receive. Okay, and Redder Pay account another facility virtual card and creditor card. Card में click to card. So Redder Pay account you एउटा standard card, virtual standard card, virtual standard dollar card, easily virtual and physical dollar card easily receive. Okay, standard virtual card work with Apple and Google Play Store, accept 130 million merchant worldwide accepted this card. Okay, if you physical card it will be Redder Pay can be taken or can be joined physical card standard physical card, no fee and return fee cost, global ATM access. If you anyway all country access the global account, access the all global countries access Redder Pay account ले all country को ATM में access कर सकते. Okay, if you create the Redder Pay account, if you send money Redder Pay account to your local bank, go to the send money. Okay, and so this currency clicked like this, so that NPR. Okay, NPR currency. Okay, if you send $10, okay, $10, okay, continue. If you easily add deposit, so bank and wallet. If you wallet click the wallet, eSewa, IMPay, Khalti, iCash, Maru, QPay, UPay, SeloPay, and bank account. So local bank account name, all different bank name. This if you online job, online job or freelancer or any other international country, if you can be job holder your home, easily create a Redder Pay account and receive your local bank ma your currency receive easily local bank. If you the $5 bonus, click the my link and create a Redder Pay account. It is fully verify Redder Pay account. Okay, and देखो show fully verify Redder Pay account. Okay, Redder Pay account the benefit and disbenefit. Redder Pay account I am easily room. So Redder Pay account any after Redder Pay account easily room my $5, $6, the deposit $40. Okay, and easily room Redder Pay account create and payment global.